Good luck, Staxx and Packz. We are ripping our half case 2020 Elements Football number 1. Pick your team. Let me get the boxes out, and then we will pick the 6 boxes we're going to use. Okay, somebody that's in the break, give me 6 numbers 1 through 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Someone that's in the break. Let's go, son. Jeff is in with 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. All right, 1, 2, 3. The other half is already on the site. Here's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Whoops. This is the other half, and then the single one is in the mixer. All right. Here we go. Good luck. What is there? 4 cards a box, I think? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Let's get something sweet. Here we go. Box 1. 2 autos and 1 mem card. Let's go, son. All right, here we go. Box 1. The first card goes to the Washington football team. Antonio Gandy Golden Medal rookie. 31 of 46. It's going to Mark. Washington football team to Mark. Mark with the first hit. There you go, Mark. Then up next we have the Vikings. Patch to 199. Justin Jefferson. Josh Kennedy. 122 out of 199. Josh Kennedy with the next hit. It's the protective covering. It's to protect it from scratches, buddy. Drag them. Oh, wow. smokes, dude. Oh, first box mojo. 12 of 25. Wow. Dalton with a monster. It's a monster, dude. Gold shadow box. 12 of 25. Oh, wow. Damn, son. Let's go. Beautiful. Is that a 180? That's a 180. Oh, what a nasty card to start the break. Damn, son! That's sick. And the last metal card is Brian Edwards, metal rookie auto from the Vegas Raiders. It is numbered 147 of 199. Vegas Raiders are Brandon M. That was box 1. Sheesh. What a first box. Okay, box number 2 coming up. Good luck. Cardinals, Kyler Murray. Kyler Murray, metal Cardinals, Brandon M. 5 of 46. Patch, J.K. Dobbins, 175 of 199 to the Ravens. That's going to go to Dalton. Then up next we have a Viking, Justin Jefferson, orange. It's 39 of 75, rookie neon signs. Josh Kennedy with the next hit. Nice. And the metal is Steelers. Vance McDonald, Pittsburgh. 79 of 199. His first break here, Joseph Petrowski. There you go, Joseph, with your first hit. Let's go, son. Next box, box 3. How about a little Joey B in the first box? That's crazy, to 25. We are on box 3. Good luck. First card is a Chiefs Travis Kelce medal. It's going to Morgan, 10 of 46. Kelce. Michael Pittman Jr. Frequency patch, 95 of 99. Colts. Morgan. Pittman Jr. Colts. And to the Niners, 122 of 149. Future Neon Signs, Javon Kinlaw, 49ers, Joseph DeWald. And another Colt, Jonathan Taylor, medal, 31 of 125. It's going to Morgan. Morgan takes 75% of box 3. Box 4, good luck. New York Giants, Saquon Barkley, blue medal, 427. Giants. It's Derek G. Derek G going, or getting the Saquon. Colts again to 199, 2-color supercharged patch. Running back Jonathan Taylor. Another hit for Morgan. Detroit Lions, Jeff Okudah, 71 of 75. Joseph DeWald, Future Neon Signs. Jeff O. To DeWald. And our medal on the bottom, another Bengal T. Higgins. Dalton. 72 of 99. T. Higgins. Bengals medal rookie auto. Nice. Ooh, Dragum's mad. Dragum's mad because he has the Bengals in the second half. So he thinks that there's not another Burrow. All right, box 5. Ooh, I think I've seen a gold medal on the bottom. Gold medal on the bottom. Yep, gold. Oh, snaps. We got a Jet. Sam Darnold. Zach Hollycross. Oh, man. Zach H. Numbered 59 of 79. Our next card, we are on box 5. Lynn Bowden patch. 49 of 99. Vegas Raiders with the hits. Brandon M. Brandon M with the Bowden. Dolphins. Curtis Weaver. There you go, drag 'em. Drag 'em. You got a hit. 68 of 75. Curtis Weaver. Future Neon Signs. Rookie auto. Miami Dolphins. Going to drag 'em. And our gold medal looks like an auto. Let's go, son. It is Jacob Eason. The Colts are crushing the break. 46 of 79. Gold. Rookie auto. Quarterback Jacob Eason. Morgan. Let's go, son. Let's go. Another gold QB auto. One more box. 6. Here it is. Let's go. Good luck. Browns. Gold Baker. 30 of 79. Cleveland. Derek G. Baker. Bear down to 199. Chicago Bears. Dalton. 3-color patch. Cole Kmet. Supercharged. Cole Kmet. Tight end. Bears. Steelers to 50. Vance McDonald Neon Signs. 27 of 50. And that's going to go to Joseph P. Steelers again. And our final hit is a Tre'Davious White Buffalo Bills. It's numbered 182 of 199, and that's going to Dalton. And that is our first half of Elements PYT number 1 case. Let me do a recap. Box 1 was obviously amazing with the Burrow coming out of box 1. So we had Tre'Davious White, Vance McDonald, Cole Kmet patch, Baker gold plate, Dolphins Curtis Weaver to 75, Supercharged Lynn Bowden. We had the Sam Darnold gold plate. Then we had a T. Higgins, Lions Jeff Okudah, Saquon Barkley plate, Jonathan Taylor metal plate auto, Yvonne Kinlaw, Michael Pittman patch, Kelsey plate, Vance McDonald plate auto, Justin Jefferson to 75, Kyler Murray plate, auto of Brian Edwards, Antonio Gandy golden, a gold plate auto of Jacob Eason, and our huge hit Joey B. One of the most beautiful cards I've seen of him so far. Gold ink, big auto, 12 of 25. Rookie neon signs. That is a beauty. What a beautiful card. Dalton. And that is the break. Staxxandpacks.org, son. Let's get it.